guys, so finally it's 18th of April and today we are here at Pixel Village Creators Academy, which is Radha Krishnan sir's beautiful academy. I would say I've just taken a tour of entire academy and the way the infrastructure is, the way he has set it up, it's tremendous. I mean, you guys should definitely consider this academy if you really want to learn photography. Apart from that, we have a workshop here today which is again on lighting. And Pune में ये मेरी पहली workshop है, so again that makes me really excited. So we have a seating capacity today of about 60 people and I got to know that the house is full. We have got more than 60 plus registration and really looking forward to this session because we have got a very different crowd. Pune has got a very different audience altogether is what I've heard. People are very curious to know more about lighting here. In fact, they are very much into technicalities. आज की workshop because हमारी technical workshop भी है और aesthetics भी involved है. So दोनों का mixture करके इसको थोड़ा सा interesting बनाएंगे और देखेंगे क्या वाकई में लोगों को मजा आता है या नहीं. So let's hear it out from people at the end. But as of now, let's go.
There is someone who's been shooting day in, day out, wedding and wedding only. But please, welcome.
Thank you. Sure, thank you. इस workshop में majorly we are going to talk about lighting today. Angle of subject with respect to light. You always need to be opposite to the light source.
We attended this workshop today which was very interesting. It taught us a lot about how to use simple lighting in a very creative way.
Whenever you are judging a light or whenever you're trying observing a light, three things we need to always take care. One is color, second one is intensity. Light कितनी powerful है, harsh है, soft है, इससे हमें intensity का पता चलता है.
We learned what wedding photography is, how to capture people's emotions, how lighting of pictures actually creates a mood.
As a student, I'm learning photography right now, and with the help of the knowledge about lights, it's gonna help me do my own shoots. It was really great to attend this.
I want कि मेरा ये जो focus area है spot का, ये थोड़ा बढ़ जाए. बिल्कुल concentrate उस पे ना जाके थोड़ा सा light फैले. So I use grid. Light बहुत ही refine होके आती है.
The session was extremely wonderful and informative. We get to learn the perspective of lighting and also the timing of creative shots.
ये क्या है मेरा लाइट के आगे मॉडिफायर और ये क्या काम कर रहा है मेरी लाइट के लिए व्हाट इज इट डूइंग डिफ्यूज कर रहा है एंड आफ्टर द डिफ्यूजन नाउ इफ आई वांट टू कंसंट्रेट माय लाइट टू अ पर्टिकुलर प्लेस सो आई विल रिस्ट्रिक्ट माय लाइट फ्रॉम हियर एंड आई विल गिव इट लाइक दिस सो ये एरिया डार्क हो जाएगा ये पूरा एरिया लिट हो जाएगा.
I was here to learn how we can artistically use the lighting and how we can overpower the sun.
Concentration of light spreading across all over. ये without modifier, ये with modifier. Shadow में अगर difference देखोगे तो पहले ये soft है, ये बहुत harsh shadow है. Godox!
I don't know how to thank Nitin enough for this fantastic session that he just completed here. From the faces of the participants, they're predominantly photography and art students. It's very evident that they actually got more than what they actually expected. They did not really wanted to leave and wanted Nitin to really continue. I'm extremely thankful to Nitin for what he did today at Pixel Village and also thanks to Godox for making this possible. Thank you very much.
So guys, do you remember in the beginning when we were about to start the session for today, I told you that today's audience is going to be very different. Though I had no idea, this is what Radha sir told me, but genuinely the audience was very different. we had almost 90% of the college students who came in to attend the workshop, जिसमें से mostly students अभी पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं और उनका पार्ट है फोटोग्राफी एज अ सेमेस्टर. वो अभी इस बारे में बहुत कुछ सीख रहे हैं. एंड द काइंड ऑफ एंथू, द काइंड ऑफ पोटेंशियल आई सॉ इन दोज स्टूडेंट्स was totally, I mean, out of the box. जुनून था सीखने का कि मतलब मुझे खुद सेशन देने में इतना मज़ा आया. कहीं पे भी ऐसा नहीं लगा that you know the interest is lacking. हर जगह जहाँ पे मैं उनसे पूछ रहा था कि और बताएं, and they were so enthusiastically telling me कि yes, we want to learn more. Second year के students coming with so much of passion from a institute which is not even a photography institute, but yes, photography was a part of their semester. Initially जब मैंने पूछा भी कि कितने लोग interested हैं photography में, I think there were only 2-3 hands which got raised, and at the end I think we saw almost 10 to 12 hands raising up saying that we want to take photography as a career. This is kind of a achievement for me that I kind of unlock in people. सच में बहुत मज़ा आया. Thanks to Pixel Village Academy staff and obviously Radha sir. मेरे लिए ये दिन बहुत बड़ा है because he is actually an inspiration to me, and today I'm standing here at his academy giving a workshop right in front of him where he's attending the workshop which I am giving. So that was quite a big experience for me, and I thanks to God, I thanks to Shania, I thank to all those people who keep giving me their wishes. My team is my biggest strength. Thanks to Rahul and Pawan for always being my support, and thanks to that biggest power which always stays with me, which is right up there. So thank you guys and thanks for watching this video. I hope कि हम आपके लिए ऐसी workshops में हम क्या क्या सिखाते हैं आपको ये सारे experiences दिखाते रहें और आपको बताते रहें कि वाकई में learning से बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. So stay tuned till we see you next.